Tired of your old crypto wallet and ready for a serious upgrade? Today, we're unlocking the power of Rabby Wallet by seamlessly importing your Exodus wallet. Step by step, first, open your Exodus wallet. Navigate to the settings menu, often represented by a gear icon or your profile. Find the backup or security section, crucial for exporting your private keys or seed phrase. Choose to either view secret phrase or export private keys, depending on your preference. Remember, keep this information private. Write down your 12RD seed phrase or carefully copy each private key. This is your lifeline to your crypto. Now, open your Rabby wallet. Look for the Import Wallet option, usually found in the Settings or Account menu. Carefully paste or type in your seed phrase or private keys, double-checking for accuracy. Rabby will then scan and import your associated addresses. Verify your balances to ensure everything transferred correctly, and congratulations! You've successfully imported your Exodus wallet into Rabby, unlocking a new level of crypto control.